check, 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 check. Good morning. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying my YouTube channel. So glad you guys subscribed for this second half of school year. It's been great. The date today is June 1st, 2020. My calendar shows 8 days of school left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. This is it. This is how far we've come. It's been a long year, but we have gotten here. I appreciate you guys that have done the work. Different sort of instruction this year. I get it. Let me turn the music down so I can speak. Okay, goodbye. It has been quite a crazy year. Never expected this to happen. And it is what it is. We will be back, okay? I will see you guys next year. You sophomores, I'll see you, stop by, okay? Not going to be in my class anymore. Maybe for study skills, maybe not sure. Stop by and say what's up. I will see you live on the final exam though, which is period 2, Wednesday, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, period 5, next Thursday, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, okay? So we will do a live final, and today we are going to review for that final, and there's going to be no assignment today, but the 4 points are going to be for you taking notes, alrighty? So let's get started. Let's get started! Let's get started! Let's get started! Yes, here we go. I'm going to try to keep this under a 12 to 13 minute lesson. Sorry I wasted your time acting a little bit crazy, but I have not been up here in the classroom talking to students in a while. And this is my arena. I told you guys that I've moved to Hollywood to pursue my dream, to maybe get involved in children's television, Nickelodeon, maybe a game show. Well, I didn't quite make it, and here I am. But I think I made it. Because of subscribers like you, watching this video on your phone or on a computer. I really appreciate you guys supporting my dream and making that dream come true. Woo! Okay, so you guys are going to get one video today, one video on Wednesday, and first thing you have to do is title this final exam review number 1, and I'm just going to bullet point this for now. You need to know the space figure classifications. Classifications, excuse me. Those space figures, oh, you have to know how to draw those too. Okay? They are a cube. I'll just draw right underneath. I'm going to draw little versions of them. You can refer to your old notes if you'd like to get those. Sorry about that line, but that's my cube. We've got a rectangular prism. Alrighty? Rectangular prism is 2 rectangles that are kind of stacked like this. We've got some dashed lines, some solids. Little dash right there. Like I said, refer to your old notes. Sorry that I'm so sorry that my notes, my God, my writing's gotten terrible. I'm officially writing like maybe a 3rd grader. That's okay though. That's okay. Triangular prism. This is the one where you're going to go triangle, and then the back triangle looks the same size with some dotted lines right there. There's my prism. Okay, the prisms have rectangular like surroundings. Okay, prism, triangle on the end, rectangular sides. All right, rectangular prism. We go to a square pyramid. my square pyramid. This is the hardest one. I'm just gonna go like this, put a dot up there, and go. That's horrible. My gosh. I've lost my mind. A square pyramid, let's draw a square on the bottom. Let's draw a parallelogram. And then a dot up top, and then connect all four sides of the bottom square with that. Okay, that's a little bit better, okay? Next thing is a triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid has a triangle on the bottom. And then a dot up there. Oh my gosh. Fail, fail. Even teachers fail, right? Let's draw it the easy way. Let's go. Let's just draw a big triangle like that with a dot in the middle. And let's come down like this, and over like this, and over like that. There's my triangular pyramid with the triangle bottom. All right? Let's move on to the sphere. Sphere. There's my sphere. Sphere is like a globe or a basketball. I'll just show some depth like this. There's my sphere. Then I've got a cylinder, circle, circle with the half dash lines. A cylinder is a toilet paper tube or a pipe or a pencil or the end of the megaphone. I'm looking right there. And lastly, but not leastly, is a cone. A cone has a circular bottom like that. Let's put the dot up top and let's do that. So we've got all these guys: a cube, prism, rectangular prism, triangular prism, square pyramid, triangular pyramid, sphere, cylinder, cone. So you're only really going to have to recognize these. I will make the final. You can just look at your notes and put them down, okay? That'll be sweet. Let me make sure this is recording, because when it's not recording, I get crazy because I wasted my time. All right? Next. I'm flipping it. My next bullet point is vertices, edges, and faces. Okay. Vertices, edges, and faces. Vertices are the points or the corners. Edges are the basically the lines, and the faces are the sides. So for this one, we are going to draw a triangular prism. I'll make this one a little bit neater. And I know some of you guys are not good at drawing these, but I'm not either. Okay, let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so there's my, and just to make this a little bit better, this should have been a dashed line right there. Okay, that'll clear things up. And let's label these A, B, C, D, E, F. All right, this is what I taught you before. For the vertices, that's the easiest one because you only have to name the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, okay? That's it. A, B, C, D, E, and F. For the edges, this is where I taught you guys to cross off the edges as you write them. So let's do it. They are all line segments. AB, comma, BC, CA. Okay, that takes care of these three on the triangle. The middle, I've got a BE, I've got a DA, and I've got a CF. Okay, gone. Last but not least is the very last little triangle in the back. I've got a DE on the bottom. I've got FE, and I've got a DF. Those are my 9 edges on this one. It could be a cube, it could be a rectangular prism, it could be a triangular pyramid, but whatever. This is pretty easy. And then finally the faces. The faces are the size. And the faces are basically shapes. So we've got 2 triangles in the front and the back, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. For the rectangle sides, I've got rectangle BEFC. I've got a rectangle in the left, ACFD. And the bottom, I've got BADE. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So vertices, edges, faces. And this comes right to the Euler's formula. This will be the last part of our notes, okay? I know it's kind of easy, but I really want you guys to study the old lessons, watch the old videos. It's fun. That's how you're going to study this. Watch the videos. I want you guys all to ace the final and get A's in the class. Okay. Euler's formula. Here's what Euler's formula is again. It is a formula. It is F plus V equals E plus 2. Faces, vertices, edges. This is our constant. This is always there. That never changes. So the first thing I'm going to have you do with this is I'm going to give you a space figure. Let's draw the easy one, which is this triangular pyramid, which we can just do the dot down here. And it just makes it a little easier because everyone can draw this one. Okay. And let's label these A, B, C, and D. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to verify. So if I say verify the formula, we are going to count the faces, the vertices, and the edges. Faces, vertices, edges. And let's see. Faces. 1 on the bottom, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 faces. Vertices, there are points. 1, 2, 3, 4. And edges, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The edges are tough, and that's why I crossed them off. As I went, you can't see because I didn't pencil, I crossed them off as I go. So we've got 6. Then we are going to write the formula. F plus V equals E plus 2. We are going to plug these numbers in. 4 plus 4 equals 6 plus the 2 is always there. 4 plus 4 is 8 equals 8. That's a check. I verified it. So it doesn't matter which one I give you or which 2 I give you. You are going to count the faces, vertices, edges, plug them into the formula, and check at the end. You guys did a good job on that when I originally taught it to you. All right? And then the final thing we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys let's see. There are 6 faces, 7 vertices. How many edges? You don't have to draw it. You don't have to label anything. All you have to do is get this formula down. F plus V equals E plus 2. And let's plug this thing in. There's 6 faces. That goes there. There's 7 vertices. That goes there. I'm bringing down everything else. I don't know how many edges there are. That's why I'm going to leave this E. I'm going to bring down the plus 2. That's the constant. Solve both sides. 6 plus 7, 13 equals E plus 2. This turns into the most basic equation on the planet. Keep it. Subtract it. 13 minus 2 is 11. There are 11 edges. Let me give you another one, okay? This will be our last one. And guys, just do what you've been doing. Take these notes down, submit the picture, and I'll give you your 4 points for the first part of the review. We'll do the reflections and translations and dilations and stuff like that on Wednesday, all right? Next one, 9 faces, 21 edges. How many vertices? My writing maybe dropped down to first grade level. I will tell you that. You know, when I'm doing my thing up here, I'm writing a lot, and you guys know that I basically create all my lessons, and I do all the notes with you. And yeah, we do a lot of notes, and it's not fun, but I'm always writing stuff, so that's why I haven't done this so much. F plus V, let's do it. 9, 21, we need the vertices this time, so let's put the 9 under here. We're going to leave the V, okay, because we're trying to find that one. We have the 21 edges and the plus 2. Let's combine like terms on both sides. 21 plus 2 equals 23. I'm bringing down the 9 and the V. Let's subtract the 9 on this side. I think 23 minus 9 is 14 equals V. There are 14 vertices, all right? So that's the first part. I'm gonna make this as easy as possible. A lot of you guys half you guys are gonna get A's this semester. I mean this semester, because you've done everything. The other half, I don't know if I'm gonna give you incompletes or D's, okay? Not sure. I don't even know how the pass-fail system works yet. They haven't told us, but we will find out. All right, good job, guys. Have a good one.